Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to apply or add VAT or tax on product for multiple cities in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting, I guess for request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in shop page. Now go to WooCommerce setting. So we are in general. So we are in WooCommerce setting, and then you see text tab. So click on it. So we are in text tab, and then you see text option, and then you see multiple additional text classes, and then you see price enter with text. Now select no, I will enter price exclusive of text, and then you see calculate text based on, you see drop down, you see multiple option, so you can select according to requirement. So we select customer shipping address, and then you see shipping text class. Again you see drop down, so you can select shipping text class based on cart item. And then you see rounding. If you want, you can enable it. Rounding text at subtotal level instead of rounding per line, so it's up to you. And then you see additional text class, so we are going to create it. Now press enter. So you can add name according to requirement. So we added name VAT on product cities. So after click on save changes, this additional text class created and display on this section. And then you see display price in the shop excluding text, display prices during cart and checkout excluding text, price display suffix. If you want, you can add this text, price including text colon bracket price underscore including underscore text bracket close. And then you see display text total. Now select this option and then click on save changes. Now setting saved, and then you see VAT on product cities rate, so click on it. So we are in additional text class, and then you see country code, state code, postcode, city, rate, text name, priority, compound shipping. So we are going to insert row, so click on it, and then you can add city name here, so you can add multiple cities. So we are going to add multiple cities name. Now paste. Now you see Vancouver, then we add semicolon separated by Toronto. Again add semicolon Islamabad. Now you see question mark. Cities for this rule, semicolon separate multiple values, leave blank to apply to the all cities. And then you can add VAT rate, tax rate 10% for these three cities. So you can add tax name, VAT, priority 1, shipping. So we are going to add one more row. So click on insert row, and then again you can add city names. Now paste. So we added 4 cities name: Orlando, semicolon, Madison, semicolon, Phoenix, semicolon, London. And then you can add tax or VAT rate 20% for these 4 cities. Now add VAT name, tax name, priority 1, shipping, and then click on save changes. Now setting saved. So this is our format. Now you see. Now go to shop, open any product. So you can add these additional text class on multiple product, so it's up to you. And then you see price including tax. Now go to edit product, so open it. So you can add these additional text class on multiple product. Just go to edit product, in product data, so you can find general tab. Now edit product open, and then you see product data, you see journal, and then you see text status, text table. Now select, and then you see text class. Now you see VAT on product cities. So this is our additional text class. So you can add this text class on many product according to requirement. So you can set VAT or tax according to requirement, and then click on update. Now product updated done. Go to product page, refresh the page, and then we are going to add to cart. So click on it. Now add it, and then click on view cart. Now product added to cart. You don't see any VAT. So we are going to change city location, country Canada. Now click on change address. Now you see Calgary. So we are going to add Vancouver. So we added postcode also, and then click on update. Now you see VAT show 3.30 for this product in WooCommerce setting for Vancouver 10%. Now go to checkout page. So we are going to change location there and country also, and we are going to set city. So we are in checkout page. Now select country United States. Now you see US, and then you see city. Now add Phoenix. Now reload, and then you see VAT 6.60 for this product in WooCommerce setting. For Phoenix we set 20%. So you can add multiple cities name, and you can set different tax rate or VAT rate according to requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.